Testing, testing. Hello. Hi there. Let me know if you can hear me. Make sure you can see me. Hi there. Let's see. Let's make sure we're here. My name is Tracy Weinzapfel. Welcome to my new studio. Just notice, let's make sure. Uh-oh. Seem to be having a microphone problem. So let me make sure I get that worked out. Good morning. Can you hear me? That would be key because I don't know why this is blinking. Oh, the volume is low. Hear me? Good morning. Can you hear me loud and clear? Okay, sound is good. Okay, just slightly low volume. Really? Woo. I think it's because that thing's, oh, it's picking it up now. Hi, everybody. Yeah, I think we're good. If I need to, I can flip up the volume a little on my end. Just let me know if you can hear me now. Thank you so much. It's better. Okay. Whew. I don't want to be screaming at all of you. Hi, good morning. Welcome to my new studio. Behind the scenes, we do have Dominique. Hi, everybody. My name's Tracy Weinzapfel. If you don't know, I have a new studio and we're going to get started. I'm just waiting for people to log in and make sure loud and clear you can hear me. I am streaming this, by the way, on Gelli Arts Facebook page, also on my Facebook page, Tracy Weinzapfel Studios. Perfect. Thank you, you guys. Welcome. I'm excited because I have in my hot little hand something that came in just in time for the holidays. By the way, happy holidays to everybody. I actually went somewhere last night where Christmas was just everywhere. It was a restaurant that was literally filled with Christmas. And so I'm definitely in the spirit. Okay, everything that I'm talking about today, by the way, right here, underneath jellyarts.com. And in the comments, we are going to make sure that if you are looking for any of the new products or the kits that I'm about to talk about, I am providing a link in the comments as well. And if you put in the code Tracy W, you save an additional 10%. Okay? I put that link in there as well for you. I want to thank you guys for joining me. I don't jump on here often, and when I do, I'm excited to share. And I'm excited to share our 3 new kits just in time for the holidays. And I'm going to tell you one of them you're going to want to get as soon as possible if you're making your Christmas cards. So let's go right into it. Are you ready? Have you seen them? Look at the packaging. It's so cute. Okay. Use code TracyW for an additional 10% off. And when I get to the Christmas card kit, you're going to be excited because that's already on sale. No code necessary. And my code works on it, I believe. Okay. So our new kits make everything super, super simple for you to learn how to print. For those of you who have never printed before, I would love for you to raise your hands. Don't be shy. Gel printing is one of the most fun things. If you see a lot of my artwork in the background, you might be wondering, where did some of those backgrounds come? Well, they came from printing. I do different backgrounds, different textures, all from my plates. Now, the 3 new kits. This one is the stamping kit. And by the way, I do have an overhead camera, so I'll show you these all at the end. This is our DIY kicked off. I hope I didn't get booted. Oh, there we go. Sorry. I can see when we're live and when we're not, and I apologize if I got booted for a second. Okay. That's the problem with live. You just got to roll with the punches. Anyway, so this is our new kit. And by the way, everything in the upper right-hand corner of the packaging shows everything that is included with the kit. So just keep that in mind. Everything is included, including the, I'll just go over this one real quick. The Gelli Arts plate, the roller, the comb, paints, cardstock for printing, downloadable templates, and link to step-by-step video tutorials. So the most important thing I want to say about this kit is somebody said I got booted from your page and the Gelli Arts page. I apologize. I know I'm back because I can see me. So hopefully you guys can see me on the Gelli Arts page. I apologize if there is a technical issue. Hi, Gail. Love to see you too. Thank you so much. So everything is included to create, including the paints. So everything is packaged, but one of the best things about this kit that I love that we did was a video tutorial and step-by-step instructions that walk you through how to create. Okay, good. Network connection was lost for a few minutes, but we're good to go. So if you have any questions, you can ask me, and if I can answer them, I absolutely will. And also you can email us at info@gelliarts.com. So the video tutorial is included. There is a unique QR code inside each of these kits. So they're all different and you can create all different things with them. I'm actually super excited to dig in myself, and I've already printed before. So I get to dig in and do the projects from the artist who created it from our team. The video, like I said, is included. A unique QR code goes with it. So if you're gift giving, I'm going to say that if you're gift giving, one of the best things some of the best people to give these to are your crafty and artsy friends. These are great for them, of course, your family. So much fun. I absolutely love this. Another idea, which I absolutely love and was given to us, was girls' night out, gals' night out. Galentine's is huge. Maybe it's a night of crafting with your friends. Maybe it's just getting together or over a weekend. Bring these, a bottle of wine, some sparkling apple cider. Don't forget the charcuterie board, and I'll tell you what, this is fun right here in this bag. Another place that I suggest, or another person I suggest, is your kid's favorite teacher. Art teacher, any teacher. I just recently was at a art education show, and the teachers were buying them. I absolutely love this. They were buying the kits for the video tutorials, and they were just adding more of their paints and paper. And they're creating Christmas cards with kids, your kids. I think art education is so important, and so does Gelli Arts. So those are some of the ideas. I actually got this, which we loved. Somebody shared this. They did gift. How cute is this? They gifted the Christmas card kit, and they wrote a little email to us I thought was really cute. She said something about, thank you so much. This is a great kit. We had so much fun, and the QR code to scan included inside the kit was just the right start for everyone. It was a cozy day to get together and try something new, create and drink hot chocolate. That was from Susan Marie on Instagram, and thank you very much. I think that is absolutely adorable. And then she shared what they created. So here they are newly printing. I mean, that's amazing. That is amazing. So the three new kits are, again, the Christmas card kit. Now this one is on sale right now for $24.99. So if you use the Tracy W code, that will get you an additional 10% off. And then here is the DIY stamping kit. I think you need to see some of those projects. And then again, this one is the handmade card kit. Now, the one thing I want to say about these kits, they are the gift that keeps on giving. Once you have created the projects that are in this kit and use the paint and use the paper, all you need to do is add your own paint and your own paper and just keep printing. The plate that is in there is long for long-term use. The brayer, all of those items that come in there are meant for you to just keep on printing. That is the whole goal, is just to share our love for printing and the creativity that goes along with this. One thing I have always said is creativity is contagious. That is the best bug I would like to myself get, nothing else. And I hope that you guys will share with us the projects that you make. You tag us on Gelli Arts, at Gelli Arts on Instagram. Jump on our Facebook page and tag us over there. Sorry, somebody said I lost connection on my page. I apologize that happened. I'll make sure when I'm done on Gelli Arts, I go over there and share the video with you. Dominique in the comments is giving the links to the Christmas card kit, the DIY stamping kit, and the handmade card kit. So she's giving links in there. And then the other thing, Amy said, such great kits. I love this too. And I will say to you, easiest thing to do is go look in the upper right hand corner and it just tells you all of the items that are included with the kit. It makes it so simple. That's simple for me is the best thing ever. Don't forget, gel printing can be quite addicting. So once you start, you are going to be addicted. It's for me, one of the most relaxing things I can do is spend an hour just printing, pulling out various textures, fibers, leaves from outside and printing. I think, don't forget to use the code that is provided. Another thing I want to say about this time of year, it can be stressful. I will acknowledge that the holidays can be stressful. I think particularly if you are a mom, an aunt, a grandma, or a woman, and you're handling everything that goes along with the holidays, do not forget to take time out for yourself, whether it is grabbing one of these kits and making it easy to going to our news section. I don't know if you guys know it. The largest plate we make is 18 by 24. It is a poster. It is a poster. I still have my original 8 by 10 plate from when I started way back when, years ago. And that is a tool. It is, my dad says, the right tool for the right job. When you invest in tools like that, the brayer and the plates, add some paint, it is so relaxing. So I have to say, during this time, if you are out of inspiration and you're looking, I don't know where to get started. Well, we made that easy. You can get started with a kit. That is probably the easiest place to get started because everything you need is in the kit. But if you're looking for more inspiration, more projects, everything, I highly recommend you go to the Gelli Arts Facebook page, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. That is where our artists, I am honored to work with our artists. They are some of the most amazing creative people I have ever met in my entire life. And I guarantee you go to our YouTube channel or our blog. That's go to our gelliarts.com. The blog is listed at the top of the page. You will be so inspired. I'm honored to work with this team of artists, and we have so much planned for 2025. So if at any moment you feel like the inspiration is lacking, you just don't have it, go over there. We will inspire you to get started. Yes, please make sure to follow us on Instagram. We also have a newsletter that comes out every week sharing different projects and things that are going on. So if you want to join, I believe Dominique can give you the link to our newsletter as well. Do not hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions. That is what we are there for. Let me just say one other thing. Good, Dominique. The fun thing about our company as well, and I don't know if you guys realize this, but our plates are made in the USA. They are odorless, odor-free, they're durable, non-toxic, vegan. They're made right here in the USA, and I couldn't be more honored to say that. Just because when you pull that plate out of the package, it is ready to go and it is ready to use and reuse. The other thing I'm proud and happy to say is we are a woman-owned business. We've been sharing and will be sharing more about how the business was created and the co-founders. I work directly with one of the co-founders. She is absolutely amazing. And I do have to say, art education is a passion of our company, and she is all about sharing printing. Dominique is also giving you the link to our newsletter. So I highly suggest if you are interested, you go to that link and sign up and get our newsletter. So again, made in the USA, and we are woman owned. Okay, did I forget anything? I don't think so. I had notes. Yeah, don't forget when you're done using these kits, I'll go over them again. This kit is they're regularly 30. The Christmas card kit is on sale for $24.99. Use the code TracyW, you will get an extra 10% off. So, and then this is our DIY stamping kit and our handmade card kit. If you have any questions, I'll stay here for a minute or so. Otherwise, I would say happy printing, and don't forget to share and tag us on social media. We want to see what you're creating. That is half the fun of what we do, is turning on every morning. I check Instagram and I cannot believe the people have tagged us on Gelli Arts, and we get to see your creativity. I want to thank you again. My name is Tracy Weinzapfel. And Dominique is giving you also our Gelli Arts gift guide link. So don't forget to click on those items. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. Again, I want to say happy holidays on behalf of myself and everybody at Gelli Arts, and keep on printing. I'll talk to y'all soon.